Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to search for sources using databases through the library's web page, Summon. One of the mistakes the students often make when they come to Summon is that they try to use it the same way they use Google. So they just come to the search box, they enter a few key terms or sometimes long sentences, they hit search. But then they are surprised to see that there are only a few matches. And the reason for this is that Summon is not a search engine. So it's not built the same way as Google and it doesn't work the same way as Google. But luckily, the university has subscriptions to a lot of databases that any student has access to. And now I'm going to show you how to get access to those databases and how to search for sources in them. So when you're on Summon, you must be logged in. And once you've done that, then this is the screen that you are going to see. Now you scroll down a little bit, or actually you don't even have to, and just click on the cogwheel next to your links. Now a long list of different subjects will appear, and because this is the School of Education, I'm going to select education. There are multiple subjects you can select. So if you think about education, well, psychology is very closely related to education. So maybe we can select also psychology and counseling. But if you are studying TESOL, for example, then you probably might be interested in linguistics and modern languages. And maybe business as well if you are studying leadership, educational leadership. Anyway, so I'm just going to select these four. You can select whatever you want, basically, and then you just scroll down and click on Update Your Links. And after, click Home. Okay. Now if you scroll down again, you see that links to these different pages appeared under your links, and these links will take you to pages that collect the links to the different databases. Okay, so now let's just try education now. So this is the education web page, and there are different databases: ERIC, or the British Education Index Bay, Scopus. Okay, so we're just going to start with ERIC. And the advantage of using ERIC is that it allows you to actually add some other databases. So if you click here on Choose Databases, then you can also select British Education Index. Okay. So now your search is going to be both in ERIC and the British Education Index. And to maximize your search, I would recommend you to click on Advanced Search. Here you can enter your keywords or key terms, and they are separated by and, but if you want to change the command instead of and, you can use or not, so you can basically exclude certain terms as well. Okay, so let's just try now, I don't know, student-centered learning, higher education, and let's say in China, or you can select China or Chinese. There are all sorts of other filters that you can apply, but you just figure that out for yourself. So then you select, then you hit search, and then it shows that actually it found 15 articles that are relevant. So let's just select, let's say, this one, opening new links. Okay, so these are the details for this is an article, and very often you would also have a URL link. So if you just click here, it basically takes you to the place where you can download the original article, and you can save it onto your computer and you can read it. Okay, so this is very straightforward. However, this is not always the case, so let me just show you another way of doing things. So let's select the first one. And here we have a link, but let's see. Oh, sorry. Now this one works as well. But anyway, sometimes you don't have a link or the link doesn't really work. In those cases, what I do is I just copy the title, go to the library's web page, and I just paste it and try to see if the article is available on Summon. And very often it is available on Summon, actually more often than not. And then you can just download it. So basically this is it. I think it's really straightforward, and I hope this helps you to find a wider range of sources when you are preparing for your assessments. Okay, thank you. Bye.